Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer TRX from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges, especially with the evolving tech in the crypto space. Whether you're aiming to trade, stake, or just diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Kraken. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any verification processes. It's crucial for security in 2025's tighter regulations. Once you're logged into Uphold, navigate to your TRX wallet. You'll see your balance right there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to cover transfer fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Now, hit the Withdraw or Send button. Uphold makes this pretty intuitive. You'll need to select TRX as the asset and choose the Tron network, as that's what TRX runs on. Pro tip: always use the correct network to avoid losing your funds. Next, enter the receiving address from Kraken. To get that, log into your Kraken account, go to the deposit section, select TRX, and copy the wallet address provided. Paste it carefully into Uphold. Double-check for any typos, as crypto addresses are unforgiving. Set the amount you want to transfer, review the transaction details, and confirm. You'll likely see a confirmation email or in-app notification. Now, head back to Kraken and keep an eye on your deposit history. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network, but in 2025, with faster blockchain tech, it might be even quicker. Once it shows up, you're all set. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets from scams. If you run into any issues, check the help sections or community forums. The crypto world is full of helpful folks. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.